This video is going to show you how to make blisters using gummy bears, the makeup that came with your kit, a brush, and a couple of makeup pads. Mix 4 or 5 yellow and green gummy bears together with 1 or 2 red gummy bears and put them in the microwave for about 10 or 15 seconds. Stir the mixture and keep stirring until it is cool. Keep in mind that the gummy bear mixture will stay hot for quite a while, so make sure it's cool before you put it on anyone's skin. However, once the material is cool, it's still very, very pliable and very workable. You could use a popsicle stick or any flat blunt instrument and use that to manipulate the material into the shape and size that you desire. Use a coffee stir or a shaved down Q-tip to manipulate the gummy bear material. What you're going to do is try to blend in the material right where it interfaces with the skin. Soften the edges. You can also manipulate the material to stretch it a little bit. You could put little indentations in it so that some of the shapes look like they're a very fresh blister. Others look like they're finally starting to leak or ooze material and they're starting to cave in on themselves. You can create various shapes just by pressing and moving the material around with the coffee stir. Use a foam pad or a cotton ball, and with the makeup that came with your kit, add a flesh tone over the top of the gummy bear blister. Use a tan or a yellowish color for a light skin color, and a reddish brown or even a purplish brown for a darker skin tone. Don't just dab the makeup directly on the blister. Work it into the surrounding skin, maybe an inch or two around, just to have a nice smooth transition of color between the blisters into the surrounding skin. To give the blister a little bit more depth and detail, use a dark colored makeup with a fine brush, something like a dark red, dark brown, even a blue with a little bit of black in it, and dab around the base of the blister. Dab with the brush and smear it with your finger to soften up the edges so that there's not hard edge lines anywhere. We want it to be smooth transition to make it just look a little bit more traumatized. To create the illusion of a fluid-filled blister filled with pus or plasma, use a light colored makeup right on the crown of the blister. And then around the base, use a darker makeup down around the bottom. Well, here you go. 3 finished gummy bear blisters. Not too bad. And the nice thing is you got a bag of gummy bears to snack on now that the exercise is over.